Welcome back, YouTube. Today I'm going to be installing LED turn signals for the front. So the bulbs in the front are halogen, they're not as bright and they kind of flash slowly. Here's a demo. So this is going to be a little bit more of a modern look now once I get these installed. So first thing I need to do is we need to turn the wheel kind of in a little bit. So I'm going to do that real quick. Now you can see right there is where we can get access to the bulb. I might have to remove the wheel actually. This is such a tight fit. Don't know if I can get to it. My wheel is too wide, so I wasn't able to access the area here by turning the wheel. I had to remove the wheel. But this one, turn it counterclockwise and then pull it out. So what I did was I used this little plier and I just turned it and then pulled straight out like that. There's a gasket, so that's why it has a hard time pulling out with your hand. So this is the old halogen bulb, as you can see. We're going to replace this with LED. All you do is you just take these tabs here on the sides and just pull this bulb out. I'll show you guys. So you squeeze those tabs and then you turn it clockwise to pull it out. So here's the difference between the two. Halogen LED right here. Same brackets. Just gonna put it onto this, see if it clicks into place. Okay, so I got it on. It's kind of like a puzzle piece. You have to like push it in at the right angle or right spot and then turn it counterclockwise to lock it in place. But now that's on, we can place this back right over here, and then once you have it in position, just turn it clockwise to lock it in, and then we'll test it out. Okay, so I have the driver's side installed and the left side, or the passenger side, is stock. Let's check it out. And the right side flashes quicker. And it's also brighter too. Let's try a different angle here. Yeah, it looks great. Definitely more modern. Alright, so we're gonna do the other side here and then get back to you guys. So these new lights are super bright and they flash quickly. Makes it look a lot more modern. On another video, I'm going to be changing out these ones to smoked side markers, and they're going to be sequential and LEDs as well. So that'll look nice and match the front. So this is a nice surprise. I totally forgot that when I bought these LEDs, they're actually error-free bulbs. So we don't get any errors. It actually works. That's nice. I thought I was gonna have to code them out, but I forgot. Yeah, they're error-free bulbs, so you don't have to do any coding. They just work well. And the nice thing about not having to code it out is you still have the warning light. So if it does go out, you have a warning light that tells you it went out. But right now they're working well without any errors. So these error-free LED bulbs, they actually work really well. So stick around for another video where I do the side markers, the smoked sequential side markers. I appreciate you guys watching this video, and if you liked it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good evening.